Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number. So for this purpose, first you need to open your Gmail app on your mobile phone. Then at the top right corner, you have this profile button, click on it. Then this type of page will appear. Here you have the option of add another account, click on it. Then this will pop up. Here what you need to do, just set up email. So I click on Gmail. Then here what you need to do, wait for a few seconds. Once you're done, then this type of page will appear. From create account button, you can create account, but here I sign in with my Google account. So for signing in, you just need to enter your email and then tap on next button. Once you tap on next button, then this will pop up. Here what you need to do, just enter your password. Once you enter password for your Gmail account, then here at the bottom left corner, you have the option of try another way, click on it. Then this page will appear. Here what you need to do, just wait for a few seconds. Then this page will appear. Here again click on try another way. Once you click on this, then this type of page will appear. Here choose how you want to sign in by your own choice. You can sign in by getting a verification code at your Gmail, and you can tap on try another way to sign in. Once you tap on try another way to sign in, this type of page will pop up. It says that it couldn't sign you in. But when you tap on try another way to sign in, this type of page will appear. Here what you need to do, just enter your email or phone. So for recovering Gmail account without phone number, what you need to do, just enter your email. So this is how you can recover Gmail account without phone number. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.